we started off being very bespoke, but over the years, being quite customer-led, to be perfectly honest. There's a lot of our customers that will serve the likes of, Marks and Spencer's, Tesco, Sainsbury's, all the suppliers to the big supermarkets. So we are very focused about satisfying their demands. Where the supermarkets demand very high hygiene standards from their suppliers, we incorporate that into our machine. It's not only the functionality of the machine, i.e. it's got to clean and sanitize, but it's also the machine itself has to be easy to clean, so that it doesn't harbour any debris, and it has to be hygienic, the machine itself, as well as the actual process. It can vary. You sometimes get different supermarkets or end users trying to up the standards more and more and more. But what we do as a company, we take the best of those standards and try and take them across the board, so that invariably, being customer led, we do improve our standards on an ongoing basis.